Yeah, yeah. The C money. It's the army, it's the army, it's the army. Yeah. Shout out La Sen too, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Y'all want the drip, we giving you drip. Watch the show. We giving you jokes, showing you clothes, we in control. Join the family and shit, we all could grow. Y'all got ideas, hit us up and let us know. It's LA Army, 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 LA Army.
So what's good in the hoodie? It's not a boogie, but it's your boy La Sen, and I know it's been a while since y'all seen me on YouTube, but I'm in my man right now.
Good.
Introduce yourself.
What, like my full name or what?
Just say, give your IG.
I already know my Instagram.
You don't?
I don't remember that shit, but I haven't been on shit for a little bit.
This is my man Shaq, and we about to go hoop right now at a park called Beechwood.
Who hooping?
So I'm gonna get there. We'll get everything set up. I'm gonna start hooping.
Yeah, shut off.
Watch out, move. Yeah.
You look short in there. Bro, I'm not racing you. Nigga, I'm gonna get killed. I'm not racing, just saying, nigga, I'm gonna get killed, nigga. My shit's slow.
You gonna race?
I'm going slow. Police! He's speeding!
Nigga, speed up.
I can't speed, nigga. This shit's slow.
You're not gonna speed up?
Nigga, this shit's slow. Look at it.
Oh, look, you gotta open. Oh, nigga, fuck.
Nah, nigga, he knows I can drive nicely side to side and shit.
Hold on. You have to hoop. I mean, you got a small car, nigga, get over here.
Nah, nigga. It's too much. There's gonna be cars parked on that side.
Huh?
There's gonna be cars parked on that side.
See, nigga? You got a Milky Way car. See, we out, nigga. They're way behind. Are they pulling up? Pulling up, shit. Oh, shit.
They know they can't catch me, nigga. I'm too quickie with it. Fuck out of here, nigga. I'm side to side ass nigga. Small ass car sound.
We out here?
I'm out.
He's touching up, though.
Yeah. My car's small as fuck, man. Maneuvering OD.
You coming?
Nigga, I'm going 40.
Bro, these niggas hit. Look. They hit. Look at this nigga got the sunglasses on. He's just straight spit, bro.
That's the. Look at his ears. Look at his
His ears. No, you can't see him in there.
Can nigga? Oh my god.
You probably can if I pause it.
Yeah, he can hear us right now.
You probably can.
He can hear us.
You about to hit this lane? You about to hit this lane?
Psych, nigga, what you thought?
You coming up?
Psych, nigga, what you thought? What you thought, nigga? I cut bitches off like you. Fuck out of here. What, nigga? I'm out, bitch. You ain't catching me, nigga.
Oh, he behind us.
Hey, he a creepy.
He coming up. Oh, he's stuck though.
He's stuck. Look at him. He's stuck. Mine's speeding up.
Oh yeah, he is stuck.
Hey.
Behind the truck. He's sitting behind the truck.
Fuck. Yo,
Oh, he
watch
hurt.
this. Ready? Oh no, I'm not gonna.
Oh. Oh, miss, like the liveness.
Yeah, Nestor, where you at? Nestor! And Nestor Connector, where are you?
He's out.
Look, he's switching OD. He's switching OD.
lanes. Why is he switching lanes so much?
Because he's trying to catch up. Oh, he's about to be next to me. No!
I see him coming. Where he at? It's not over yet.
Nigga, I saw you going like this.
Yeah, we saw you swerve, man.
That thing. Why you struggling? Why you struggling turning? Big ass car, nigga. You gotta have a little car in your life. Go ahead, Neon. Dale, go ahead.
Go. Damn, you gonna let him do that?
No, he's not. Because remember, we have to turn right. Fuck! He took it.
Exactly. You should have been out. It's over.
going too fast. I'll get pulled over.
How you gun again?
They don't want to see a fuck.
You know.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this, nigga. Watch this. Think he's playing with me.
You want his?
Yup. Nigga.
You want to cut through here?
I know, nigga. Boogie. Oh, right there on the left.
No, over here. Go. Oh, I hope we don't
turned,
get in
he
trouble.
turned,
I hope
he
we don't get in
turned.
trouble.
No, we're not. Mira like, fuck.
You better be out right now, bro.
I know.
Damn.
Bitch ass nigga.
It was a good race, though.
Nigga, no, he got me.
Look
with
at
speed, that's it.
you. We could have had him. Nigga went.
I get it, nigga. I can't speed through the parking lot, nigga.
Nah, not speed to the cars, but when the light turned red, you should have been out. I mean green. You would have got him. I mean, it's not over yet.
I know, but I lost here. He's going out. He's out. I lost.
It's over.
He's out, yeah. Unless he wants to slow down.
It was a good race.
Oh, it's right
It's
there!
right here. He's stupid. Oh, see? Close though.
I need all the money, all the bitches, all the jewels, cause I put my heart in this shit. Growing up, there wasn't hope. Nigga started was a joke. Had to get in where I fit and I was plotting. They ain't know when you get a little money, then these hoes gon' show. When you get your first bag, never let that shit go. There was pills, there was coke. Lot of niggas I ain't know. There was fiend after fiend and they was knocking at the door. Serving one at a time. Know they coming back for more. We got anything you want and we got it for the low. And niggas rhyme now, so your body better hit the flow and don't move from that spot. If you do, I'ma blow. And I stay low key. I be feeling like a ghost. I had to get it off quick. Everything must go. Hey, fiend must know that we turn the smother up. They say all my niggas doors cause we never gave a fuck. From a city where it's small, but it'll snake your brother up. And that shit is more common than a fucking paper cut. I know these niggas, they don't like me. They probably wanna fight me until I leave a swoosh on his head like it's Nike. Porno with a bitch, how directed like I'm Spike Lee. And I'm from the trenches, little nigga wanna try me. Lead still cooking up, head start looking up. Looking at these rappers, all cowards, they be shook as fuck. When I got it first, I'll show you how to double up. Put it to his feet and make a nigga do the double touch. Can't lose, if you ain't with me, little nigga, you better move. Don't give a fuck about law, I'm breaking rules. I need all the money, all the bitches, all the jewels, cause I put my heart in this shit, I can't lose. If you ain't with me, little nigga, you better move. Don't give a fuck about law, I'm breaking rules. I need all the money, all the bitches, all the jewels, cause I put my heart in this shit. Know some niggas wanna be a close friend of me. They the same ones trying to be my enemy.
Okay guys, so I'm home. So the reason why I haven't been posting it is because I just been focused on, you know, saving money, getting what I have to get done so I can come back to make videos. So I can come back and make videos with you. She was messing with these. But today's video wasn't really nothing special. It's just something to post to make myself back, you know, come back. But I have a lot more in store for y'all. So I've been talking to some people, making some shit happen, and I got some stuff coming. Like in this next week or so. So once again, y'all watching La Sing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to La Sing. Join the army if you're not part of it, and I'm out. Peace.